Good afternoon, students. In the last example, we have seen question number maybe 17 or might be maybe 15, 16. Today, solved example. In your book, it is solved. Question number 18. Already it is solved. Then also I am doing it. It's a very important example for exam point. Very, very important. Matrix A is given 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Then show that A cube minus 23A minus 40I is equal to 0. Very important example. It is solved in your book. I'll tell you the page number even. Page number 78. Page number 78, question number 18. It has appeared in exam many times on 5 marks. Very important. We need A cube. A is given. We know I identity matrix. To find A cube, we need A square. To find A cube, we need A square. A into A. 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Into A value. 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. First, we will find A square. Let us see. Row gets multiplied with column. First element with first 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4. पहला एलिमेंट पहले से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, दूसरा दूसरे से मल्टीप्लाई होगा और तीसरा तीसरे से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. अब फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. 1 into 2, 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. Now first row, third column, 1 into 3, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1. Now, first row, first column, second column, third column. We will move to the next row. Next row, first column, 3 into 1 minus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 4. Now, second row, second column, 3 into 2 minus 2 into minus 2. 1 into 2. Now, second row, third column. 3 into 3 minus 2 into 1, 1 into 1. Now, 4 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 4. Third row, first column. Third row, second column. 4 into 2, 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. Now, third row, third column, 4 into 3 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Now we will simplify it. Okay, see here, very important. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 into 4, 12. 1 into 2, 2 into minus 2, 3 into 2, 6. 1 into 3, 2 into 1, 3 into 1. After writing this system, it is allowed to write like this directly. 3 into 1 minus 6 plus 4. 3 into 2 minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 2 2. Now 3 into 3 9 minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. 4 into 1 4, 2 3s are 6, 1 4s are 4. Now 4 into 2, 8, plus into minus minus, plus 1 into 2, 2. 4 into 3, 12, 2 into 1, 2, plus 1 into 1. Now we will write the simplification. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 12, 19. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 minus 4, 4. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 6, 1. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 9 plus 1, 10. Minus 2, 8. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 8 minus 4, minus 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. A cube is equal to a square into a. A cube. First we got a square. Now we will find a cube. A square into a. 19, 4, 8. 1, 12, 8. 14, 6, 15. A value. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. Now row gets multiplied with column. 1 second. See here, it's very important step. 19 into 1. 19 plus 4 into 3, 12 plus 8 into 4, 32. I'll write directly without adding this step. I'm writing this step. फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम फर्स्ट एलिमेंट फर्स्ट से मल्टीप्लाई होगा फर्स्ट के साथ सेकंड के साथ थर्ड के साथ वैसे ही 19 into 2 38 4 into -2 -8 8 into 2 16 now 19 into 3 it is going to be 57 now 4 into 1 4 8 into 1 8 very simple. Now second row first column फिर से वही होगा फर्स्ट एलिमेंट फर्स्ट से मल्टीप्लाई होगा सेकंड से होगा थर्ड से 1 into 1 plus 12 into 3 36 plus 8 into 4 it's a very good concept example. Now second row second column 1 into 2 12 into -2 minus 24 minus 24 now 8 into 2 16 1 into 3 3 12 into 1 12 8 into 1 8 now third row first column 14 into 1 14 plus 6 into 3 18 plus 15 into 4 60 14 into 2 28 6 into -2 -12 15 into 2 30 14 into 3 42 plus 6 into 1 plus 15 into 1 now we will simplify it. A cube is equal to okay I put one line for my reference. A cube is equal to 19 plus 12 31 31 plus 32 it is going to be 63 38 minus 8 30 plus 16 46 57 plus 4 61 61 plus 8 69 1 plus 36 37 37 plus 32 69 1 plus 36 37 37 plus 32 it is going to be 69 2 plus 16 first we will write positive numbers 2 plus 16 18 18 minus 24 minus 6 3 plus 12 15 15 plus 8 23 now 14 plus 18 it is going to be 32 32 plus 60 92 28 plus 30 first we will write positive numbers 30 plus 28 58 58 minus 12 it is going to be 46 42 plus 6 48 48 plus 15 63 we got a cube. Now we will move to left hand side. What is left hand side, students? A cube minus 23a minus 40i is equal to 0, we will get or not, we will see here. Now, see, a cube 63, 46, 69, 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63 minus 23 into a value. What is a value? 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. Plus, sorry, it should be 40i. Minus 40. I value, what is I, students? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Identity matrix, as we have done in the last example also. Now check what is the answer. First element 63 minus 46, 69, 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63 minus 23 into 1, 23, 23 into 2, 46, 23 into 3. It is going to be 69. 23 into 3, 69. Now 23 into minus 2, minus 46. 23 into 1, 23. 23 into 4. 4 to the 12, carry 1, 4 to the 8, 9, 92. Now 23 into 2, 46. 23 into 1. Now 40 into 1, 40. 40 into 0, 40 into 0. 40 into 0. 40 into 1, 40 into 0, 40 into 0, 40 into 0, 40 into 1. Now rest is our simplification. 63 minus 23. First element 63 minus 23. How much it is? 40. 40 minus 40. 0. Or else. First write 63 minus 23 minus 40. First write all the elements. First element 63 minus first element 23 minus first element 40. Now second element 46 minus 46 minus 0. Now 69 minus 69 minus 0. Now 69 minus 69 minus 0. Now minus 6 minus into minus plus 46 minus into plus minus. Now 23 minus 23 minus 0. करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट यहाँ पे अगर सेकेंड रो थर्ड एलिमेंट है, सेकेंड रो थर्ड एलिमेंट, सेकेंड रो थर्ड एलिमेंट, करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट बोलते हैं इसको. नाउ थर्ड रो फर्स्ट 92, थर्ड रो फर्स्ट माइनस 92, थर्ड रो फर्स्ट 0. उसी तरह 46 minus 46 minus 0. Now it is 63 minus 23 minus 1. 63 minus 23. 63 minus 23, 40. 40 minus 40, 0. 46, 46, 0. 69, 69, 0. 69, 69, 0. Minus 6 minus 40, minus 46 plus 46, 0. 23, 23, 0. 92, 92, 0. 46, 46, 0. 63 minus 23 minus 40 minus 63 plus 63 minus 63 cancel 0. It is equal to 0. Hence proof. Very important example. Very, very important. Hope everybody have understood. And hope everybody is practicing. Practice them more and more. If you practice, more comfortability you will get in examples. Thank you everybody.